in 56, and we probably had one of the most interesting careers out of all of them. Now we have an absolute privilege and pleasure to have a young man who's got fires in his fingers. This guy just blows me away every time I hear him. There's German, that's Judy Lois. It's still in Kirk.
Yeah, woo!
Come on.